welcome to 99 Reviews with another interesting video. OpenAI is developing a new project to enhance its AI model's reasoning capabilities called Strawberry, according to documents first discovered by Reuters. The project is a key element in the efforts by OpenAI to achieve more powerful AI models capable of operating on their own when it comes to performing research. According to the internal documents Reuters looked at, Strawberry is aimed at building an AI that will not only answer questions, but search around online and perform follow-up research on its own. This so-called deep research trick would be a major leap beyond current AI models that rely on existing datasets and respond in ways that are already programmed. There aren't details on the exact mechanisms of Strawberry, but apparently it involves AI models using a specialized processing method after training on extensive datasets. This innovative approach could potentially set a new standard in AI development. An AI that can think ahead and perform research on its own to understand the world is much closer to a human than anything ChatGPT or other tools using AI models offer. It's a challenging goal that has eluded AI developers to date, despite numerous advancements in the field. Reuters reported that Strawberry, which was then known as Q, had made some breakthroughs. There were demonstrations where viewers witnessed AI could tackle science and math problems beyond the range of commercial models, and apparently, OpenAI had tested AI models that scored over 90% on a championship-level math problem dataset. Should OpenAI achieve its goals, the reasoning capabilities could transform scientific research and everyday problem-solving. It could help plug holes in scientific knowledge by looking for gaps and even offering up hypotheses to fill them. This would vastly accelerate the pace of discovery in various domains. Even after GPT-3 and GPT-4 set new benchmarks for language processing and generation, there's a big leap to autonomous reasoning and deep research. But it fits with other work on the road to artificial general intelligence, AGI, including the recent development of an internal scale for charting the progress of large language models. That's it for the video so far. Do subscribe for more videos.